Hi guys, and this is a new video about the Instagram application, and today we will show you how to pin and unpin the selected comment. So let's go to this app. Right now we are on our profile page, so let's choose one of the posts as an example and go to the comment section. Remember that this pin option can help you to save the selected comment and make it the first on the comment lists. So it will be very useful and cool feature. So right now I need to choose one of the comments to set it like at the first one. So let's swipe it a little bit and gently to the left side, because if you will do it straight, you can disable and delete the selected comment you want to pin. So let's do it gently and choose this first option. Oh, so stressful, on the bar, like pin one. And later, as you can see, we had pinned the selected comment. Remember, if you will do it for the first time, you will also have the notification, and you just need to pick on the pin option on the on the appeared bar to confirm your actions. But later, when we will do it, you will do it. Secondly, you won't have this alert and notifications at all. Just only pin your comment. Later, after swiping it to the left side, you can unpin it clicking on the same button and tap on the unpin feature on the notification bar. Amazing! Remember that you can also disable the sum of comments after swiping to the left in this way. So you need to really do it very gently. So guys, right now I hope that you know how to use this pin and unpin option on your account. Don't forget about likes and also subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!